Hi, welcome. My name is Anne. I love to sew and design and create new things. If this is something you like to do, please subscribe and let me know in the comments below what you like to sew. Today I'm making a small handbag, starting off with 2 circles. I have one piece here that's my lining, and I have iron-on stabilizer on the back, and the other piece is a pair of jeans that I cut up, and to make a large enough piece I just sewed 2 pieces together, and that'll be my outside fabric. And the first thing we want to do is sew these pieces together with the right sides facing in. So now that we have the circle ready, we are going to cut it down the middle. I have mine actually already marked down the middle because I tried to put my seam as close to the middle as possible when I sewed up the denim. So now we have 2 half circles. We're going to turn them with the insides facing out, fold them in half, and mark the middle. Okay. Now we're going to put them together with this end. I'm going to measure about 3 inches out. And then we're going to fold this over and measure 3 inches out. And then fold this one over so all the seams match up. Now we're going to pin this side . So now that's pinned together on each side, we're going to go to the sewing machine and just sew down, try as best as you can to match up with the seam that's already there. The next thing we're going to do is turn it inside out. After sewing the bottom, I made some bias tape, and what I did was I cut some of the fabric to match the inside, and I cut it on an angle like this. I cut it 2.5 inches wide and pressed it in like this. And I'm going to put it across the bottom. I cut out 2 strips of fabric that are 3 inches wide, and I just pressed it and folded it in like this. And we're just going to sew along each side to make the straps. So all we have left to do is the straps, and I made these to be 16 inches long. You can make your straps as shorter as long as you want. What I did was I put everything down and matched up both sides like this and measured in 3 inches from the end and put my straps here. And then the other side, I'm just going to match this side. Now I'm going to sew these on, and then after I've sewn these ends on, I've cut out these little pieces of vinyl, and I'm just going to sew them along the bottom like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye for now.